In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the color layer alignment for layering adhesive vinyl. These will give you some marks to line up before you actually lay your vinyl down onto each other as you layer, so that you get them aligned properly. So here I have this daisy image again, and what I need are some shapes. I'm going to just use a little rectangle, and I'm going to size that to 0.25 inches wide, okay? Then I'm going to select that and hold the Alt key, left click on my mouse and drag, let go of my mouse. Oops, I didn't grab it. Let go of my mouse and then let go of the Alt key. So now I have two shapes. And I want this shape to clear the top of my image as well as the side, and this one, you know, the top and this side. So to help me with that, I'm going to left click and drag out, I can't talk this morning, drag out some guidelines here, okay? And then what I'm going to do is grab my zoom tool and zoom in, and then I can place these you know, above my intersecting lines here. I'm going to select both and position and size panel to selection. I'm going to go ahead and align those to the top. Then I'm going to right click and group them. Then I'm going to come to view, guidelines, clear guidelines. All right. Then with this still selected, I'm going to come to the style panel and choose for my cut line type, color layer alignment. All right. And then when I come to my layers panel and I go to create to cut, I'm going to cut by color. And here I have my 5 layers, and if I turn all of them off except for one, you can see that I have my registration shapes there on every layer, okay? So that will make it easy to line up, and you'll be good to go. Make sure this says separate jobs, and you know, if you want to cut the white first, or you know, whatever color you want to cut first, you can arrange these however you would like. Okay, so that's pretty simple. There is a parchment paper hack for lining up vinyl, and I love that process. It is much easier, I think, than lining up the shapes, although it's not hard to do. But there are times where you're going to want these if you know, are doing like a large wall decal or something like that, because parchment paper is only so big. So anyway, I will put a video in the description below to Mr. Crafty Pants' video on that parchment paper hack, and if you haven't seen it and you use adhesive vinyl, you're definitely going to want to watch that. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can find me in the groups that I also have listed in the description below. So again, thanks for watching.